Hey Mechwarrior, welcome back to Opal Plays Mechwarrior 5. We're well advanced in the 3060s by now. Just looking through my mech bays, moving them around and getting rid of everything that is not an Atlas or clan or hero mech. So that's all I've got right now, including a couple of hero clan mechs, the Burton and the Zvalin. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Um, my light lance, or actually it's a medium lance up here with a couple heavies in it, because what the heck. Um, okay, it's three heavies and a medium. um, and then going down from there, everybody else. And the Warhammer's the last of the hero mechs. These two are both still being used. I mean, I like my Mauler. I haven't run it in a while. It's kind of the same as the Corvair Privateer, although it's using medium rifles. So it's closer along the same lines as I think the Highlander? The double rifle? No. Just one. Sleipnir. That's who I'm thinking. Sleipnir. Yeah, double rifle. And not as good a rifle either. Two LBX clusters. But it's a nice little mech. And at 90 tons, moving out at 53, that's nothing to sneeze at. Gets there, gets the job done. And looking at all of this tells me I need to run a multiple mission sooner or later. I know I can get astounding levels of salvage from them. That's what I'm seeing right there, is a Scorched Earth versus Clan. Yep. Nope. Battlefield, not Clan. In case you're new to my channel, I'm only going against Clan, and occasionally I'll change off. I got a defense at 400 ton here. I don't really like doing defense at 400 ton. It's I'll be frank with you. I'm running 400 tonners that are well above normal speed, including the Boar's Head running along at 74 kilometers per hour. It's not fair. I can do a defense mission pretty easily. But you know what? It's due for an upgrade. I just took my first look at that in a long time. Just there. And I saw something that was kind of embarrassing. Oh, okay, I saw it wrong. I didn't see the U in front of the UAC. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. In fact, that's pretty good. But maybe, just maybe, I can do the ER mediums. Oh, I thought I had a crap load. I do, in fact. But they're all three. Okay. Cool business. Let's go fight a mission. We've danced around enough talking about stuff. Scorched Earth, right there. 20 days, no problem. In case you skipped the last mission, you'll notice that my C-bill total has gone vastly up between the last combat episode and this episode. That's because I cleaned out my inventory. And that's right, I had about $60 million worth of C-bills, worth of weaponry that I no longer intend to keep or store. So, one Scorched Earth against the Clan, Wolf's Dragoons. Let's see if the Wolf Dragoons are going to come down. They are. This is an inordinate amount of money for a base payout without anything extra added onto it. which is a signal that the Wolf's Dragoons will in fact come down. What bothers me is I'm only fighting clan, and I've fought a lot of mercenary companies in the recent episodes, and that means the mercenaries are contracting to the clan, and that's not in accordance with lore. That's the bottom line. No mercenary company is going to go with a foreign invader, because if they do, the next time they're coming around for a contract, that's all they're going to get. Nobody's going to keep them around. Nobody on the inner sphere is going to ever keep them. I did not, because gosh darn it. Okay, I got to sit. I turned off his repair. 25 days. 25 days? I don't think so. We're going to pick something else. Something beefy, for sure, but something else. I got another Atlas. Oh, we'll just shoehorn him in. And I'll have to keep in mind that my number 2 slot is not as fast as I'm used to. But that'll do. Okay. Drop that. I mean, after all, I made the mistake. I should have the penalty, which means I should be taking the RS, huh? No, that's not going to happen. There. Everybody but Bauer, a master of an Atlas. Let's go. Scorched Earth. Spicy demolition mission. Yep, I gotta move my mic and sit up in my chair like I'm an adult, not slouched all over. That's why I don't have my camera going, too. I just don't like the way I sort of kind of slouch.
Disrupt hostile forces by targeting their food supplies. This is all they have, so expect them to converge on you quickly once they see you as a threat. But remember that the primary objective is destroying the facility itself.
No, actually, it's surviving the missile in good shape. And here comes a couple of mercenaries.
Closing in on your position.
Where are they coming?
Hostile losses may plentiful. Lock on and terminate.
Commander, enemy dropship coming in right on top of you.
I don't like being the closest one to them, but no choice now.
All right, Commander. I'm in place for an emergency evac. Complete the mission if you can. If not, we're ready to burn when you are.
Target destroyed.
I got him.
Acquired.
On the commander's target.
Destroyed.
I got him.
I'm guessing by now you can see my pattern.
Nice kill, Commander.
Back shots.
Crit, too.
Target destroyed.
Good job, Commander. Those mercs will think twice before trying that again.
No, they won't.
But you don't need evac anymore. See you when the mission's complete.
They're kind of programmed that way. I think the Kraken's the only one that took any hitting enough to show from at this level. Get around this hill, see if I can get some long-range shots on it. One of the reasons I'm stuck to the DH for a demolition mission in particular is the 4 SRMs are chain fired. They just knock the heck out of everything. That was a lousy shot. Got his foot in the air. Nope, too foggy. Can't see the town to make sure I'm doing any damage to it. Y'all
Advancing mechs. Halt and state your intentions.
blowing you out of the sky.
Target acquired.
After I get behind this big rock so you can't shoot at me. Yeah, I better get moving on these guys. A flying tank. No, not behind me. No freebies. Blackadder, huh? Good move. Tricked me. That's a fast mech. Who's got the ECM?
Target acquired.
I'm gonna bet it's the adder with the ECM,
There
but
it is. I'll leave the rest of the demolition job up to you, Commander.
nice rocks. Let me find the city again. Shucks. That could be a real problem here.
Target destroyed.
Okay. Gotta be back there, it is. So, who's blowing ECM all over me? It would be 4, 6. Tell my own guy with the ECM to counter it, and he did.
We're making progress.
Oh, one of them kind of buildings.
Keep at it, everyone. The area is down to half capacity.
The trick to taking these kind of buildings down that fall down like sheets
Nearly here, Commander.
is shoot the bottom. You don't need to shoot down.
Mission complete, Commander. I expect our employer to be very satisfied with this result. Head to the evo point for extraction.
Doorways you can't kill. Rock walls I can't get through. Nice one. Nicely played. All the way back out and around. Unfortunately for a 400 level mission, so far there hadn't been any clan mechs worth taking. So it looks like it's going to be a weapons type pickup. Oh, just spawned from nowhere. It's a... I mean, really, it's a commando, you know? Kill it. That's why I came back. I saw Hammer was getting shot up. No, that's not what I said.
Target mech spotted.
New target rifleman.
Got it. Engaging.
All of that was telling the Kraken to follow me, And the other two to go shoot that rifleman to draw the aggro away from the Kraken. It's amazing how sometimes those little guys can get up underneath your skin and chew you up. Come on, kill the rifleman. No way I'm hitting that. It's below the hill. Hill. Whatever. Well, there I was talking about how nothing's ever come along to give me any good salvage, and the Kraken gets chewed. And that's a shame. The heck is that? One of them big satellite dishes falling over. Take out that dervish, folks. Not you, Kraken.
Target acquired.
Another Griffin. Oh, he's too far away. I'm out of here.
Let's get out of here, Commander. Job well done.
Well, that takes the Kraken out for a little bit, huh? That is not going to be a field repair. That's all there is to it. And if I remember right, the Kraken is mostly energy, I think. There you go. Freebies galore. Give me stuff. Okay. 30 points. Not enough for this guy, but I'll take a look. Only a 55 tonner, so. A couple of thugs. Oh, these, yeah, the Wolf's Dragoons. Must have been them. Got an engine double heat sink, but the XL engine is blown. I do not see why it would be. Center torso. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Micro what laser? Micro P laser. ER micro laser. Heavy laser. There's a lot of good stuff in that one. I'll take that for the strip. At 13 left, down to a commando or weapons. No, not worth it for a couple of SRMCs, SRM4Cs. That's what did it. That commando, that's a shredder. That's got a better SRM loadout than I have on my Atlas. That's always a good pick. And I don't have any. A heavy medium, which I have 4. That might be a good add. I mean, at 1 ton, 11 damage. That's a shizzle. And 4.7 for the cooldown is moderately faster than, slower than this. Okie dokie. Gotta look around. Look at all this stuff. This is a numbers game. It truly is the numbers. I feel the need for a heat sink. I've got 11, I'm okay. But what I do have is I have a Kraken I gotta rebuild. Potentially. Took an arm. Okie dokie. Million damage. Let's go get some band-aids. That's a good pickup. Even these are good. They cool the same as the clan. They just have an extra slot. So if you put them in the engine slots, it's the same as a clan. That's my tip of the day for y'all. I don't think there's anything else I want closer than a yeah, let's go down and take a look at this and see what that hero mech is and get my Kraken started. Make that as quick as I can and see about getting me another combat drop. Hero King Crab. I'm just not into king crabs. Not into it. See where the guns are pointed? That's why. Yeah, not into it. What else? That's it? Okay. Equipment? Equipment's getting a lot more diverse, we'll say. Got a capacitor on a PPC. Yeah. LBX2s are now available, huh? Cool. Not for me. It's like a BB gun. That's cool on a light mech, but on a big one, nope. What's that? Streak LRM for 2 million. I think I got one. It's just not a tier 2. It might be a tier 3 or 4. Mag pulses are 2 heat per missile. So that would add 12 heat. Yeah, but it's 3 tons as opposed to a clan. How come the clan don't have that? Or if they do, they're not out there in the field. The world will never know. Okay. Like I said, I'll repair this quickly and I dither and dather on equipment. Better do a loadout. Large laser and an AMS. AMS is a bigger loss than anything. I do have plenty. In fact, I think I can just do that. 48 days is not so bad. Any updates I want to make along the way. Those are tier 4 at 4 ton putting out 18 damage. I can get some tonnage back. That might be useful. 5 tons, 12 damage. What? What the hell? 2.3 per second. 2. No. I expect clan stuff or the advanced stuff to be better, not worse. How about this? 15. The 1.5 tons is what makes those things really nice. And where would I put the extra tonnage? That is really the question, isn't it? I don't think I need that. So that's a half ton I could put somewhere. I'm fine on cooling. The only place to put the tonnage would be PPCs instead of large lasers. And that really cranks the heat up. These guys are putting out 6.7. I could do pulse lasers, but not a match set. So Those are almost as good. I mean, that's nice damage. But I only got one. That's not worth the wait. Look at that heat, 12. Wow. Talk about ratcheting it up. Yeah, I'm not feeling it, folks. I'm not feeling it. I'd almost go with 3 of these, bring the heat down, bring the weight way down, but then I'd have nowhere to put the weight savings. You could take out the XL engine, of course, but I'm not doing that. No. I got to keep in mind, this guy's almost as fast as my boar's head. We'll just start it. That's a good build. It's been doing good stuff. We'll stick with it. The rest of them, just repair all. Boar's head will be back by the time I get somewhere else, and then I'll still have a good Atlas mech or Lance to run. Solaris. There is a GTE mission here, but when you get there, there's no mission. I'll try it one more time. See if I can pick up Chainsaw. I'm also getting towards that mech that was mercenary lance that was over here. I want to see what they got. Now I think the trick is to look around in the immediate vicinity of Solaris and see if there is a mission. If there isn't one here, and you can see there is no mission here, even though it said clearly on the star map that there's a mission here, there is none. So then we got to look around and see if there's another one. What's this guy going for? That can't be it. Or if it is, I don't want to play that game. It's not this one because that's a standard. Yeah, blood minerals. That's a standard one. No, there's no mission here. There's no golden shield thingy anywhere else. So, that's a bug, not a feature. Definitely not a feature. Nope. Wrong side for the clan. Nope. Yeah, the only other reason I drop for a mission nowadays is to bother with my mercenary points. I got nothing. I might have to do one just for fun for your entertainment. Battlegrounds are fun. That's a standard one. Let's go see if I can scare up some... What's this? Oh, okay. Let's go see if I can scare up some mercenary points. Yep, that's the wrong side of the battle. I get the mercenaries to drop for 10 million. That makes it a worthwhile mission. $10 million C-bills buys a lot of cookies with ice cream. And the only way to find out is hit that continue button and see the cash payout. No, this is not going to bring the thumpers down. And I don't want to go against unless I'm getting an inordinate amount of money. I'm trying to get my likability up quite a bit more. There's a beachhead against the clan, and no, beachheads are generally speaking long and troublesome. I got a Warzone contract. Yeah, I can't see why not, other than the fact that Merc doesn't like me enough to pay me worth diddly. I just clicked over at 30 minutes, so I think we can do this and get it done. This episode. So for those of you that are hanging out still, congratulations. Good job. Hope this is entertaining and or full of hints and tips that'll, sorry, I had a pickle for dinner. Hiccups. You know what I'm saying. Forgot my train of thought. So damn easy nowadays. What was that? That was a Warzone. And wintertime. Great. There's no clan here. Restricted visibility kind of goes against my obvious bend in the way I build my mechs for long range.
Weather warning is in effect, Commander. You'll have limited visibility out there and have to contend with sensor malfunctions.
So if the Kraken's back, that means the Boar's Head's back, and my original standard lineup is back to good. Here we go. It's a great part about this part of the game, when you've got your mech lineups and your pilot lineups and all that pretty well structured, is routine. And by routine, I mean I know that my number 2 and my number 4 mechs are fast mechs. I know that my number 2 and my number 3 mechs have long-range missile launchers, so I can direct those on a defense mission, for example, to take out little guys running around the back trying to get into the city. Stuff like that.
Attention. Prepare for battlemech departure. Warning. Hangar doors open.
And they're all so pretty.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
We have friendlies under assault from hostile forces. Link up with them and hold off the enemy advance as long as possible. Be sure not to overextend yourself, Commander. Eventually, you will need to fall back to the evac point.
I'm not seeing the bad visibility. How about you?
Target destroyed. Target.
Well, that was a stupid shot. Just a reflex motion.
Target acquired.
Say your prayers.
I'm going to assume they're still chasing that tank. Yep. And they will be for a while.
Stay sharp, Mechwarriors. Ally Command reports enemy movement is projected to hit your location at any moment.
Yep, right on top of me. And we're back. Just drop them.
Boom. Dead.
Rifleman.
Not sure what Bauer just killed, but
Acquired.
Secondary objective acquired.
Savage Wolf. Defeat the fleas. I got 8 fleas coming in.
Looks like you've got their attention. I'm showing multiple hostiles incoming on your position.
So 8 of the 21 will be fleas, or they don't count? Here they come. Oh yeah, there they are. Get them fast.
Flee. Target acquired.
Copy that.
There's a trick to these guys.
I'm taking heavy damage. Requesting support.
Aim low. And don't forget to lead them.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Engaging commander's target.
Oh, and I got this guy back here.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
I'm getting quick warning. I need to eject.
You do not get free back shots, Mr. Marauder. Whoa.
This is Hammer. I got him. Yes, my father. Hammer here. I got him.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Got one behind me, huh? Turns faster than I do, that's for sure. Okay, they did not count towards a 21. Isn't that wonderful?
Target acquired.
Here it comes.
On requested target, Commander.
There should be LRMs going out, and there are not. I haven't checked weapons grouping for a while, and I'm aware of the fact that the AI lances will indeed, and in fact, change. Nope, not a clear line. Change your weapons grouping. That was the allied mech getting it.
More enemies inbound. They really are gunning for you, Commander. Watch out.
We got 7 out of 21, third of the way. Here he comes. Why do I instinctively fire my SRMs at that range?
Target acquired.
Shadowhawk behind me. Now they're firing the LRMs.
This is Hammer. Target destroyed.
I thought I killed that.
Clean kill, sir.
Target acquired.
Copy that target.
Heh.
Mech eliminated.
Just about halfway.
Tangos appear to be bringing in additional reinforcements. Brace yourselves.
VTOLs from the sound. Not seeing their shots sliding, but these guys are, yep, that way.
Target acquired.
I cannot comply. I got him.
Target acquired.
1,000 meters.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Hammer here. Target destroyed.
Hostile
I'm just freelancing. My guys are doing good. Let them shoot them.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Didn't say I was going easy.
Scopes are lighting up with additional bogies, Commander.
Yeah, about 6. And the Alpha A, I'm sorry, Atlas A is showing a little bit of wear. So let's see. 3, 4.
Off target.
Tell them not to shoot.
Target acquired. Target destroyed.
Rahahaha. Sniper shots, okay.
Target acquired.
Good stuff coming.
Roger. Focusing target.
Making up for all those nice easy missions before, huh?
Target acquired.
Set 'em up, I'll knock 'em down.
Target of opportunity there.
Locked component.
Told her to stop shooting.
Destroyed. Target acquired.
On the commander's target.
Mm-hmm.
Lost the component.
Yeah.
Mission complete, Commander.
They're getting a little bit better at picking stuff off, aren't they?
Is bonus pay. Stick around as long as you like, but don't get too overconfident. Enemy forces still have a sizable hold of this area. Fall back to the Mark point when you're ready for evac. Our window for extraction is closing. Let's get out of here.
I forgot to tell Bauer to, look at that, just shooting it up. Forgot to tell Bauer to shut down. Just not shoot. And then when I do the F1, she starts shooting again, which is bad. That should not be what happens. Well, I guess it should be. I should have to do the F2, F1, F3, F1. But that's just a lot of keystrokes. Sorry, I should have tell 1 and 4 to shoot, not one, everybody. 30, not going to get me a Marauder 2C, is it? Already got 2 of these in various configurations. Wonder why it's 14 million. Yeah, it's got some good stuff. Wonder why that's 16 for 14 million, whereas this is 26 for 12. XL engine shot, most of its stuff is shot, and it's got tier 1 weapons. It can stay right there. I'll take this one. And 14 more picks gets me some stuff. It's not about the money, it's about what I'm going to do with it. Wish I could get the other one for a match set, but I can't. So, Clan SRM 6s. Might make me rethink what I got here. I'll take 2 of them, because the Atlas A, which is a missile mech, just got shot to hell and back. Clan, yep, Artemis ammo. Closes that out. Well, I did not do my job. Oh, and the Atlas A lost both arms and almost got cored. But look at the damage it did. It was those fleas, I think. They must have penetrated. Yep. I only got 3. Sleep at the switch, Opa. Well, twice in one episode, I am heading off to a industrial hub to repair an atlas. It must finally be at the right difficulty settings. I'm going to briefly see how bad it is, just in case you want to see. No arms. I don't think any of the... Nah, I don't think I got... That's too bad. Yeah, it's just double heat sinks. That's a nothing. Nothing burger. I will take a look at doing a refit. But that's going to be in the next episode. So feel free to please comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode of Hope Plays Mechwarrior 5. Till then, Hope is out.